Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we will see how can we use switch case statement, as it is the same process as you can use in C or C++, but in the Python we use match case. It is as similar as switch case, so almost same. So now, what does it mean? That consider we have two variables A and B, and I want to take input from the user, whether the user want to add them, subtract them, multiply them, or divide them. It depends upon the choice of the user. So if I am going to give them choice and I want to apply switch case condition in Python, so let's see how can we implement it. Now first of all, take two inputs, two variables. A equals to int input, enter any number. This is the first variable we have initiated by using user input approach. Now b equals to int input, enter any number. So now this time I am not going to assign integer, because we know that the operations are not integers, they are strings. So we are just applying here like this: input, enter any operation. And for the simplicity, we give them choice, like either add plus, comma, you can add minus, you can multiply, or you can divide. So depending upon the choice of the user. Now I haven't indented completed. Now this is the complete process. Okay, now I'm going to use match case, because in Python we use match case. It is similar as compared to switch case. So match, what does it mean? Match C. Now we will apply cases, because what does it mean? It means that match my C. If my C is case, if my C is case plus, it means that if I have entered the operation plus, then do this. Do this means print A plus B. For the simplicity, you can also write addition in inverted commas to appear as it is. The function which you have, the operator which you have assigned. Now case, the other cases you can enter minus. It depends upon the choice. Now what does it happens? Print, in this time, print A minus B. The process name is subtraction. Now if you want to multiply them, so you can add case multiply, print A multiple B, comma, this process name is multiplication. Now the last one, you can add division. Print A divided by B, division. Now see what happens with the code. So we have to enclose it in inverted commas. because these are operators. It ended they are a string, so a string should be enclosed in inverted commas. Now enter any number which you want. So I am going to enter 6. Now my second number is 3, and which operator you want, I want to add them, so I will enter plus. So as you see that, what does it do? It gives to the, first of all it checks match, then match C. My C is what? C is what I have entered. I have entered plus, so it gives to the case plus, and in the plus it added two values, which is A and B. As we know that A is 6 and B is 3, so 6 plus 3 is 9. If you want to divide them, so what should we do? Let's see. Enter any number. It is your first number. Enter 5. Now the second number is 2. Let's see what happens with the result. Now you want to what? Divide. You can enter the symbol of divide. Now enter. So as we know that 5 divided by 2 is 2.5, so the process name is division. So as you see that in the Python language we can use match case. It is very similar to switch case in the other languages. So I hope you are very clear with it. Now proceed to the next program. You can do so many things in it. You can either use selecting any days, or you can do many things. Consider the example of traffic light. So what does it traffic light means? Let's see. A equals to input enter any enter traffic signal color. Now match A. The program has been run. We don't have to run it right now because it is incomplete. Match A case red. So in the case of red, it should print what? It should print stop. Now in the case of yellow, what should it do? It should slow down the car. Print slow. Now last one is case green. In the green case, we print move or fast, which one you want. I am going to print move. Now let's see what happens with the result. So enter any traffic color. I want to give traffic color which is yellow. Okay, another mistake is that it is a string value, so it should be in inverted commas. This is a very minor mistake, but you have to be very careful in this language. So any string value should be in inverted commas, but any number you can easily write it, because a number is not just a number integer value, but for the string value you should enclose it in inverted commas. Now let's see what happens with the result. I am going to enter this time green. So as you know that when I have select, well, first of all I have input what? I have input the value which is green. Now match, it matches the condition. If the condition is green, if the condition is present, then it will fall down to the case. As first of all it falls to the case red, but I haven't entered red, so it pass on to the yellow, case yellow. I have also not entered yellow. Now in the last case I have entered green. So what, when it comes to green, yes, say yes, it is the case. Now what should it print? It should print move, and it has print move. So in this manner match case behaves in Python language. So you can code many more like this. I hope you are very clear with the case which is match case scenario. If you have any queries you can ask. Thank you so much.